YA-101 is the basic plug-and-play scan tool. It is equipped with powerful hardware and advanced firmware, providing precise test results. It is a perfect choice for basic mechanic and DIY user. It is equipped with 1.8-inch color screen, OBD2 full functions, DTC lookup, battery test, multi-languages, lifetime free update. This gram tool comes with 10 modes OBD2 tests, including read for code, clear for code, I am brightness, view real-time PID data, freeze frame, O2 sensor test for smoke check, Mode 6 onboard monitoring test, Mode 8 EVAP system test, and important vehicle information like VIN number, etc. Mode 6 onboard monitoring test keeps watch on how all of the sensors and other emission control components are functioning. Enhanced EVAP system test, Mode 8 can capture fuel tank vapors and prevents them from escaping into the atmosphere. It supports almost 99% vehicles on the road, including cars, light trucks, and SUVs manufactured after 1996. Multi-language: English, French, Russian, Spanish, Italian, German, Portuguese, Japanese, Chinese. You can update the software via internet anytime and anywhere, which is free for lifetime.